to live my life without you near me. The days would all be empty.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay pupunta tayo sa Cavite, sa Spring Resort, sa Poniente Spring Resort. So dito na kami. Ito yung entrance niya. Ang ganda, napaka-nature vibes. Dito lang tayo sa Poniente Spring Resort, located at Barangay Pangil, Amadeo, Cavite. So yung entrance fee nila for 11 hours na magsistay doon sa umaga is 200 per adult. And sa kids naman is 160 per head. And then pag mag-overnight ka doon is 260 per adult, and then sa kids is 190. If mag 22 hours ka doon is yung entrance fee is 400 per head sa adult, and sa kids naman is 300. So rooms rental for 11 hours, yung room number 3 nila is 3,500. At sa room number 4A is 2,100. And sa room number 4B is 2,100 also. Same lang kalaki. For 11 hours only lang yun. And then for 22 hours is 5,000, 3,500. So mahal siya kasi 22 hours. At sa Kubo Rentals naman is Kubo A is 1,500. Kubo B is 1,500 also. So same lang. And for the 22 hours na rent sa Kubo is 2,000 lahat. Kasi same lang naman kalaki. So for team pitching, ang small ay 300 per tent, medium 500, large 700. And the resort is also open for camping, team building, family, friend, reunion, and any other sort of gathering and events. So hanggang 1 lang kami dito sa resort. Our next is dito sa Mina Tunnel Falls. The entrance fee for adult is 20 pesos and sa kids is 10. So unexpected, sobrang dami ng tao. Hindi kami nakaligo kasi hindi pwede maligo kasi iba yung kulay ng water. Oh my G. Actually pumunta kami dito na basta hindi kami nagpis galing sa resort. So uwi kami para magbanlaw and uuwi ng Taguig. So nag-stop over kami dito sa bahay nila ate para magbanlaw at makimilk tea na rin, Charis. Kasi may binibentas lang milk tea. Ayan. So magbibihis na kami para uwi ng Taguig. Ayan, nandito si baby sa room. Si Adams. Hi baby, I love you, my love. At ayan, gumagawa na siya ng milk tea. Ay, for the go. Ang sarap naman yarn. And that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!